Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to do a toy review about Hot Wheels. Now I'm going to tell you a little secret about Hot Wheels. If you see like gold, that means the limited edition. Now this one is a Nissan Skyline. Very cool. The gold rims, the gold inside, and the flames. This one's a Ferrari Enzo. Pretty new. Lamborghini Murcielago. Like one of my favorite Hot Wheels. I don't know what this Ferrari is, but it's like so cool. Exhaust pipes and everything. Now this is a NASCAR. Or Mazda Azera. This looks like a Firebird. And this one is this is like a fake car. It's called an overboard. These are the overboards are only sold in like these packs. I wonder if they get them in like the normal just one car set pack. Next video, I'm gonna do toy review about a penny board. So comment, thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video.